Izolo bengiseJozi. BengiseJozi izolo. Abafethu yabona iJozi lihle iJozi. IJozi lihle bafana. Ayikhohlwane. Khohlwane, and that is one of the reasons why we are not going anywhere. We will never leave our country so that our country is taken up by dogs who have left and ran away from their countries and ran away from their governments and are coming here to gaslight South Africans. We'll never do that. We'll never leave our country. We are going nowhere. We are going nowhere. We are going nowhere. Muhle umsebenzi owenzakala lapha eJozi bafethu. Muhle angifuni uqamba manga. Uyancomela. Ngiphinde futhi ngithi bafethu South Africans labantu bokufika abasayitholi medical health care. Basayitholi. In your right mind, do you think it's okay for you to be sleeping with them? I mean, let's just put it out there. Do you think it's okay for you to be sleeping with them, knowing what they are not getting health care? I just saw a video of this guy threatening he's gonna spread his sickness in his community because now he's being chased away from a medical facility that is meant for South Africans. Guys, you all are still sleeping with people who are not getting ARV. These people used to get ARV from a clinic for free. They're not getting those anymore. What do you think is happening? What do you think is happening? Stop sleeping with these people. Hey, Mara, in South Africa.
Zimbabwe you are so spoiled. You are so spoiled. Like come South Africa, enjoy the privileged. Jababa move South Africa to a point whereby they are exploited, guys. You are exploiting us. To a point whereby literally medications come South Africa, lady Romela goes Zimbabwe or lady the Rekish. The level of disrespect. How can you go clinic 5 times a day we uje medication just for an hour we orekshitse bana ba bang ko Zimbabwe? Zimbabwe agona ntwa mo lore letla re lena le chabile ntwa. You are so lazy batho ba Zimbabwe. And it goes to a point whereby you feel like you are so entitled gore lebe mo South Africa. Rena re ya go dipetlela re kry ditlhare. We are not getting medication. We are not getting the fair treatment that we are supposed to get because of you. Rema the line tse di telele. O tswa mo 5 o'clock o buye 5 o'clock. But you are paying tax. Lena le patele next. Ibile nna le seveti le ntwe isile wa lena le tlo bolela gore di ARV di free mo South Africa. Tlakele botse mo South Africa ona ntwa mahala. Ene le bona so ba to know ba bulagile matlho ba bona gore you are overcrowding us and you are taking us for granted. Le re tshela advantage. Ke gale re le lokage. No, it's high time you go home and fix your countries. As for Zimbabwe there is no civil war in South Africa. I mean in Zimbabwe. So you cannot tell us that you are refugees. You're not refugees. How can you get pregnant in a foreign land where else you know you are a refugee? Just go home, guys. We've had enough.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. Yabona iJohannesburg yasikhomba ukuthi if ma-foreigners angahamba live lethu lingaba lihle kangakanani, live lethu lingavuleka kangakanani njengoba sibonile ukuthi bekuhleli kusinyokotho lapha eJohannesburg CBD bekuhlezi kuqwele ku-overcrowded. But ever since baqoshe ma-foreigner nebantu abathengisa lapha kuleyo ndzawo kuvulekile guys, kushaya moya baplanta ihlahla ngalo lapha bafuna kubeka nema-benches ukuthi abantu bahlale. Like kundle man, the first guy was even saying ukuthi iJohannesburg inhle. The reason why besingayiboni ngaleso sikhathi singayiboni ukuthi inhle, it's because of lama foreigners lagcwele. And the second girl was saying ukuthi why can ama-foreigners abe selfish ngale ndlela? Why can't they just go back to their countries? Why they can't just go back home? Nkosi yami kunini baqoshwa, but uyabona nje ukuthi vele abadimiselanga kuhamba, but uphinde ubone ukuthi hayi nabo bayabona ukuthi i-government yalamzansi iyabathanza, iyabavikela, hence why ngeke baze bahamba. Uma ngabe kuthiwa bayaboshwa labantu laba, bayathathwa, abayadiphorthwa vele uma bakuthola la South Africa, uyi-foreigner or illegal foreigner la South Africa, uyaqoshwa, uyahambiswa, uba nesigwebo lositholako noma ngabe sekuba sigwebo sentambo. I swear bebangeke baze bahlale la South Africa, bebatohamba, but because they know ukuthi there's nothing that's gonna happen to us, ngeke basende lutho, belokhu bakhuluma njena, but ngeke siyenzawo. I-government yasiprotect, ANC ne-EFF ithi we are all Africans. So bachillile nje, they are not going anywhere. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.